Let's talk about WAF bypassing for SQLi. WAF stands for Web Application Firewall. It is widely used nowadays to detect and defend SQLi and XSS attack. So let's talk about how does it work. When WAF detect any malicious illegal input from end user, it's give 403, that means forbidden, not acceptable, or any type of custom error onto the web page. So let's bypass live. So let's try on this website multan.gov.pk. Okay, let's find a vulnerable parameter, that means injection point. So there is a parameter data equal to 2. If I'm giving a backslash here, let's execute. What you got? You got an error that is they are using double quote or they are using whatever. Let's fix this. Now I fixed. It's fixed now. I'll try here order by 10. Unknown column 10. That means the total number columns will be less than 10. Minus 9, 8, 7. So 6. Okay. 7 was there. 8 is not there. So we found the total number of columns is 7. Now I'll try union all select 1 comma 2 comma 3 4 5 6 7. Now for union I have to make this value minus. So let's do minus. But the problem is we are getting a not acceptable. So there is having a firewall called mod security firewall. So see, I tried. Now let's learn about firewall in little bit depth. WAF bypassing. See, earlier I tried what? Single quote order by 1 and up to the 7, and it's worked fine. So that means according to that firewall, order and by is a 2K, but is not a malicious illegal according to that firewall. Now when I tried single quote union all select 1 comma 2 3 4 5 6 7 and minus plus, I got a not acceptable error. So I got not acceptable error. That means there is a firewall and they are blocking your request. So we tried this now. So this may be illegal, either union may be illegal, keyword we don't know, maybe all will be illegal, keyword illegal input, we can say illegal input, maybe the select according to their firewall, maybe. Okay, so I will try one by one for bypassing. See this single quote. My favorite bypassing technique is this slash star, the apostrophe. I'll give 5-digit number because nowadays the version of MySQL server or database server is 5, so I'm giving 1 2 3 4 5 union star slash. So I'll try this. Now I will try this all select 1 comma 2 comma 3 and minus plus. If this won't fix, then I will also try same thing on the all. If this won't fix, then I will also try same thing on select. What? Very simple. You can convert your illegal word, let's examples word, into bypassed word like this slash star apostrophe 1 2 3 4 5 word star slash. So like that. So let's try this now. We'll copy this. Okay. So problem is they are having a 7, so I'll give 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. See this 3 1 4 are vulnerable. Exact number of vulnerable columns we got 3 4 5. Now we can give here database. So it gave me the database name. But now exploit this. Exploit means what? You have to all database list. all database list. For this you have to use hack bar union, because union is working there, sorry, database. Then you can give a group concat maybe on any reflected number. You can fire this query on any reflected number. So I'll first generate this. Okay, so I'll use sorry, union based database group concat. See, so this is a database query, so I have to fire on any number of this. Yes, any number of this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Yes, and I got to know that which is reflecting onto a screen. The 3 is reflecting. Okay, so I have to try this on the 3 number, but there is a plus, so we have, okay, no, plus is working with get based, so we don't have to remove. Let's copy this. On 3 we have to fire this. Let's copy this now. So let's try now. So let's try this, but they are giving not acceptable. There may be many illegal keyword. See, group concat is also a word. This may be also illegal, so you can try to bypass it. Why I'm not doing anything with select? Because select already bypassed. Select is not an illegal keyword. So I'll do slash star slash now. See, let's try this now. Let's copy this. Let's fire this now. So it's again giving me, there may be from is also illegal, so you can try also from. So you can also use hack bar by selecting this word. There is a WAF bypass, and use any of the string 1 2 3 4 5 50,000 anything. See, it's executed, but it's not giving me any output. There may be the problem of group concat now. See, I'll try single quote union all select 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and minus minus plus. So what happened? Maybe, okay, I gave select spelling it wrong, LASE. Okay, select. So perfectly, but there is not acceptable. Learn or bypass one by one. I will try union where bypass this string. See this? It's bypassed. Now I can attack on 3 4 or anywhere. So I'll select 3 union based database group concat. See, execute this. But there is, so I already tried group concat is not working. See database. Sometimes you also try database name one shot. Let's try this now. So there may be firewall. Select is already working with this union all select, so we cannot buy, you don't have to bypass select also. You can try from where bypass 50,000. So from there is also from, there is where, you can also try where. There is a concat, you also try concat. Concat is very illegal, so I think we bypassed everything. See this, we got, there is 2 database, one is information underscore schema and another one is multano. Now you know the other steps. So I hope it's clear to you that how to bypass firewall manually.